Want to make insane money while you're still young? Just like Iman Gadzhi? One of the best ways is to create a YouTube channel and upload videos in his style. Because here's the truth Iman himself shared. A huge part of his success comes from his personal brand, which is built right on his YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you the complete process of creating YouTube videos like Iman Gadzhi using only free AI tools. That's right, you won't have to research topics, write scripts, do voiceovers, or edit a single frame. Free AI handles it all. So get ready, don't skip, and let's dive in. First, open NotebookLM and start a new project. Head over to Iman Gadzhi's YouTube channel and copy the links from his most popular videos, at least 10 of them. Paste those links into NotebookLM. Once you hit next, the tool will analyze everything about his channel, from his speaking rhythm to his storytelling structure, and learn to give you similar results for your own videos. Next, click the Settings button, select Custom, then open the Google Doc you can get by commenting the word NotebookLM. Copy the scriptwriter prompt from that doc, paste it into NotebookLM, and hit Save. Now you'll need a topic, but don't worry, you don't even have to come up with that yourself. We're using Claude AI. Go back to Iman's channel, copy a few of his video topics, then open Claude and type, "I want to create YouTube videos like Iman Gadzhi. Give me 10 viral-worthy video titles." Here's what Iman has covered on his channel. Paste those topics, hit Generate, and Claude will hand you amazing, clickable ideas that are proven to drive views. Take your time picking the best one. Choose a title that excites you because that energy will carry into your script. Once you've got your topic, return to NotebookLM and type. Write a 2-minute YouTube video script on this topic, paste your topic, and generate. NotebookLM will produce a full script in Iman Gadzhi's style. Now I said 2 minutes just for demonstration, but you can request 10, 15, or any length you want. The key here is to be specific. Tell the AI your desired duration, your target audience, and the main emotion you want to evoke. That way, the script won't feel generic, it will feel like you. Listen to a few lines from the script I generated. Most of the AI tools people swear by online won't actually help you make a single penny. You're likely drowning in news about the next big breakthrough, but adding complex software to your daily routine just slows you down. If an AI tool isn't actively saving you time or making you money, it is holding you back. Amazing, right? Exactly what we wanted. It sounds just like Iman. But here's a pro tip. Don't just accept the first script. Run it again, tweak the prompt, ask for more hooks, add a personal story, or shorten the sentences for stronger impact. The magic happens when you treat AI as your partner, not your replacement. So now we have the script. Next step, generate the voiceover. Open Google AI Studio, and here's where you need to be careful. Don't just pick any voice. Listen to at least 4 or 5 options. Find one that has natural pauses, a slightly deeper tone, and doesn't sound robotic. I recommend testing a few lines from your script, especially the hook, before committing. Once you've selected a good voice, paste the script in chunks, not all at once. Why? Because pasting the full script confuses the AI, and you'll get flat, rushed delivery without proper pacing. Paste one paragraph at a time, generate, listen, then move to the next. This takes an extra 2 minutes, but it's the difference between a voiceover that sounds human and one that sounds like a text-to-speech robot. Let's listen to the voiceover I generated.
Most of the AI tools people swear by online won't actually help you make a single penny. You are likely drowning in news about the next big breakthrough, but adding complex software to your daily routine just slows you down. If an AI tool isn't actively saving you time or making you money, it is holding you back. There is a smarter way to work, using 7 specific tools designed to seamlessly integrate into your workflow and give you massive leverage.
Perfect. Now we have the voiceover, but there's one more crucial piece. As most of us know, a big reason for Iman's popularity is his editing style. Fast cuts, smooth motion graphics, and visuals that hit right on the beat of his voice. And you might be thinking, That's difficult. I'd have to spend hundreds of dollars hiring an editor to edit like him. But guess what? I'm getting all of it done with free AI tools. Yes, just like I promised. Everything done by AI. To edit video like Iman, play one of his best videos, the one with the strongest editing. Watch it twice. The first time, just feel the rhythm. The second time, pause wherever you see something eye-catching, a zoom, a text pop, a smooth transition. Take a screenshot. Take 4 or 5 screenshots like that. Be picky. You're not just collecting images, you're building a visual library of what works. Then open Claude, upload those screenshots, and type this prompt. These are the type of visuals Iman Gadzhi uses in his videos. Smooth, eye-catching motion graphics. I want you to first give me image prompts for the visuals of my YouTube video in Iman Gadzhi-style, and then provide a video prompt for each image prompt. Give me one image prompt for one line from the script, along with its video prompt. Here's the script. Paste your script from NotebookLM and click Generate. Claude will give you image prompts and video prompts for every single line. Now, here's where patience pays off. Don't rush the generation process. Open any free image generation tool. I'll use Google Flow for this video. Inside Flow, select the image generation option. Choose your ratio and model. I'll pick Nano Banana 2. Keep output at 1. Paste the image prompt and generate. Look at that. Awesome, right? But if the first result doesn't feel right, regenerate it. Try the same prompt 2 or 3 times. Sometimes small variations in lighting or composition make a huge difference. Generate all your scenes like this. It might take 15 to 20 minutes, but remember, you're building the visual identity of your video. Once your images are ready, it's time to add animations like Iman Gadzhi. Upload the first image as a reference, copy the video generation prompt from Claude, paste it here, and hit Generate. Looks good. Without hard work, we've got our first scene edited by a free AI tool. Now upload the second image, copy its video prompt from Claude, paste it, and generate the second video. Clean results, guys. Generate all your videos one by one. But here's a powerful tip. Don't treat every scene equally. For your hook and your main call to action, spend extra time. Rerun those prompts. Add a little more motion, a little more contrast. Those few seconds are where viewers decide to stay or leave. Once you have all the video clips ready, assemble them with the voiceover in a basic editing software. I'll use CapCut. You can use whatever you like. Bring the voiceover to the timeline first. Then drop in the videos one by one, matching each clip to the corresponding part of the script. If a scene feels too short or too long, adjust the clip speed as needed. But don't just adjust speed blindly. Ask yourself, does this moment need energy? Speed it up slightly. Does it need weight? Slow it down. Play through the whole video, watch it once without sound. Just the visuals. Then watch it again with sound. Or look for any moment where the visual doesn't match the emotion of the voice. Fix those moments. Then, before you export, add one more layer. Simple sound design. A soft whoosh when a graphic enters, a subtle click when a word appears on screen. You can find free sound effects inside CapCut or any free audio library. This small step makes your video feel professional, not amateur. When everything looks and sounds good, export in the highest resolution possible. So there you go. I've shown you the entire process of creating a video like someone who invests thousands of dollars, but you can do it all with free AI tools. And here's the truth most people won't tell you. The first video you make using this method won't be perfect. That's okay. What matters is that you start. Your second video will be better. Your 10th video could change your life. If you appreciate the hard work I put into breaking this down step by step, I'd really love it if you subscribe to the channel and like this video. It tells YouTube that this content matters. And yeah, if you want me to cover a specific topic, let me know in the comments. I read every single one. Also, check out the other videos on this channel where I've covered more trending topics. Here's the final result of the video we just created. Watch closely, because this could be you in just a few days.
Most of the AI tools people swear by online won't actually help you make a single penny. You are likely drowning in news about the next big breakthrough, but adding complex software to your daily routine just slows you down. If an AI tool isn't actively saving you time or making you money, it is holding you back. There is a smarter way to work, using 7 specific tools designed to seamlessly integrate into your workflow and give you massive leverage.